In a criminal trial, the prosecution must prove the accused guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. Although the jury decides guilt, the trial court first decides whether the prosecution's offered enough evidence to get over this hurdle, as the court explains in Curley v. United States. James Curley and Fuller were members of the Engineers Group, a corporation claiming to be able to procure government contracts. Curley was president and Fuller vice president. The group negotiated contracts with manufacturing and construction entities for government projects that didn't exist. Prospective clients paid deposits to the group, which were supposed to be returned if the government projects failed to materialize. Instead, the group spent virtually all the funds. Verbally and in letters, brochures, and contracts, the group represented itself as having a large and experienced staff, with substantial cash reserves and securities holdings. None of this was true. Fuller negotiated and executed the contracts and made most of the representations. He managed the office and controlled the money. Curley introduced clients to Fuller, sometimes saying that the group had projects that were ready to go and needed contractors to do them. Curley was often in the group's offices and was sometimes in the room when Fuller was negotiating contracts. Curley and Fuller were indicted for mail fraud and conspiracy to commit mail fraud. At trial, they moved for directed verdicts of acquittal. The district court denied the motions. The jury convicted them on the conspiracy count and several of the fraud counts. They appealed to the District of Columbia Circuit.